Hello from the little shop of horrors. Ski mask like the Phantom of the Opera. Go cold like the land of Chicago. Child soldiers spray in a chopper. But you don't give a fuck, that's them no. Till a peasant put a pistol in your window. Hey, you ain't really need that chain. You ain't really need that rain. You ain't really need them things. Snow when the bluff showed up. Was a slum to the city blown up. Now the white folks showed up. Everything bout sold up. Niggas ass side. Niggas pulled up. Politicians so corrupt. Soul our black ass side. Real ain't color, my brother. In Cabbage Town, they put they white ass side. Truth been told, I'm out. We in here, me in here, we in here.
Don't get captured.
No crime here, just do your dirt and disappear.
Don't get captured.
Then let go, take it slow and reappear.
Don't get captured.
Return to us victorious, no pounds.
Don't get captured. Good day from the house to the haunted. Get a job, get a house, get a coffin. Don't scrape for the path of me. Where you at that maximizes our profit. Is that blunt? Oh well, hell so's his boot. We live to hear you say please don't shoot. Tour the light, come on, make my night. When a file reports what's right, what I write. Some films air all night till your last same thought take flight. What a great sight, what a job, what a good life. The more we act born, the more we are right. But who exactly gonna stop what we got? We don't argue, we are not calm and impartial. Some call it work, but it's more like an art. Just paint the walls with your heart, and we better not catch you.
Me in here, me in here, we in here.
Don't get captured.
No crime here, just do your dirt and disappear.
Don't get